morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our golden ticket assembly. It's that time of the week again. We're handing out golden tickets to some amazing children. And as you can see, it's Friday, the 23rd of September 2022, and we're here to celebrate all those children in nursery, reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB. Yes, the first lot for nursery and SRB. So golden tickets going out to those guys as well this morning. So very, very exciting. And you've all been working so hard. We can start this morning in nursery. And in nursery we have the 2 children, and this week's golden ticket winner has come back to nursery with a positive can-do attitude. She is helpful and kind to all her friends. She really has, an absolute superstar. And as well as that, this child has made a great start to nursery. He reads lots at home, has lovely manners, and is always happy to lend a hand, which is amazing for our nursery children. Our golden ticket go to, now look, there's Grace, there she is, Grace, look, and Charles, look at those. Beautiful smiles, look at them, working so hard. Well done, you two. Enjoy taking your golden tickets home today. You superstars, well done, congratulations. On to reception, and Miss McTavish says, this winner has won the golden ticket for always being so polite in class and listening beautifully. Being polite, having good manners, doesn't cost anything. It really doesn't, and it's fantastic to hear children in reception with that. They always impress me with their creations and are a joy to have in class. Of course they are. Well done, too. Here we go. Oh, look, Jasmine, look at that beautiful smile again. Thank you, Jasmine, you absolute superstar. Enjoy your golden ticket. Well done. And thank you for having such beautiful manners. You superstar. Well done. On to Miss Ruffle, and Miss Ruffle says, this child is kind and shares well with his friends. Again, sharing, being kind, being polite. He has been reading and sharing lots of books at home and is always already filling up his reading diary. Oh, really? I'll be seeing that soon. He's had a great start in reception and certainly deserves the golden ticket. He really does. Golden ticket goes to Kian. There he is. Look at Kian. Look at that smile. Well done, Kian. You should be smiling now. You've won the golden ticket. Well done, buddy. I know everyone's going to be cheering you. Really well done. Keep up that amazing thing. Keep up that amazing reading as well. You superstar. Well done. On to year 1. And Mr. Pinner says, our golden ticket winner has settled really well into year 1 and is trying her best in all the activities that we complete. What's particularly impressed us is that she is reading regularly at home and is showing improvement in her phonics lessons, which is brilliant. Keep learning those phonics, keep reading every single day. She is really happy with how her reading is improving as well. It's fantastic. She always plays well with other children and is really kind. Well done on such a good start to the year. Really well done. Golden ticket goes to, there she goes, Isla. Look at Isla. Yes. Well done, Isla. Yes. You've won the golden ticket. You absolute superstar. Really well done. Keep up that reading and just keep being lovely. Thank you. Enjoy taking this home with you today. Well done. On to Mr. Ackerman. Mr. Ackerman says, this child is always super helpful around the classroom and is eager to help and do classroom jobs. Well done. They are enthusiastic and willing to give things a real go. This child has been doing lots of reading at home and they've made a really good start to year 1. They really have. Won the golden ticket as well. They are well-mannered and kind to other members of the class. This week's 1RA golden ticket winner is, yes, Hayden. Well done, Hayden. You little superstar, really well done. Keep working really hard. I'm so proud of you. Well done. I know your brother's going to be proud of you as well, so really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today. You superstar, well done. On to year 2, and Miss Begum simply says, this child has been working incredibly hard across all subjects, every single day. It's amazing. They quietly get on and are super focused. They really are. Golden ticket goes to Kylo. There he is. Well done, Kylo. Look at that big smile there. Really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home and just keep being super focused. Keep working as hard as you possibly can. Proud of you. Well done. On to Miss Hall, and Miss Hall says, this child is such a polite girl, an excellent role model for year 2 pupil. She always works hard and has settled into year 2 nicely. She gives 100% effort to everything she does and is always listening and well behaved, which is just what Mr. Allen wants as well. Golden ticket goes to Esme. Well done, Esme. Look at you working so hard. Absolute brilliant. Well done, hon. You've won the golden ticket. Well done. What a great start to year 2. Enjoy taking this home with you today, and her mummy's going to be really proud of you, so well done. Finally, we have the SRB, and Mr. Harden says our winner this week has been an excellent example to our new children. Wow. They're always making excellent choices and doing the right thing without being asked. They always try their hardest, whatever work they're doing, and are friendly and helpful as well, which is what happened to all the golden tickets this morning. So finally, our golden ticket this morning goes to Johnny. Look at him. Look at that beautiful whole body listening. Well done, Johnny. Yes, you won it. I know everyone's going to be giving you a massive cheer in the SRB. Thank you for being such a brilliant role model that everyone can copy. Really well done. Fantastic. Well done too. Look at that. It was a short week, but still an amazing one. It really was an amazing one. Yes, we only came back on Tuesday, but it was absolutely brilliant. Well done, everyone. Everyone's working so hard, but actually not only working so hard, but being so polite, having great manners, and being so helpful. So thank you, everyone. If it wasn't you this week, just copy those children. You know who they are now. Copy them, be like them, because who knows, it could be you next week. This weekend, here we go, look, there's a bit of litter picking going on in Mile Cross, and you'll see that in the newsletter. Miss McEachin's also put that on Class Dojo, so have a look out for that when they're meeting on Saturday to do a little bit of litter picking, just to help out, sharing the load. Let's do our little bit. So please, if you're available, you can come along, got litter pickers, you can come and help out and do a little litter pick all around Mile Cross. It'll be really helpful, thank you. Also, tidy your bedroom. Come on, children. If we're tidying up out and around Mile Cross, let's tidy our bedrooms. This is a good one for the parents. Everyone, come on, children, get to tidy your bedrooms, because we're at that stage now, a few weeks into term, and I'm sure some of those are looking a bit messy, so let's get tidying our bedroom. And finally, give your loved ones a hug. Come on, it's always good to give everyone a hug. Let's give everyone a hug and tell them how much we love them, because it's really lovely and really appreciate it, especially our parents. So please, let's have a great weekend, everyone. And until Monday, bye-bye now.